Hello everybody, I'm Malo from Quick Learn, and today I want to talk about changing the thumbnail of your video. Once you upload one video in YouTube, it chooses one picture and one scene of that clip and it shows. But as you see it here, they changed this thumbnail to a kind of custom thumbnail. So you cannot see this image inside this clip. So how to do it? First, you need to go to your dashboard. So let me go to dashboard. As you see, I changed the thumbnail of these three videos, but I didn't change this one. So I want to do it. So I click on edit, and then here it says custom thumbnail. Here I can change. But if you see another message here which tells you that you are not eligible to change the thumbnail, you need to verify your account. It means that you didn't verify that. So you need to click on channel. Here you see that it says partner verified. But if you see something like this one, it means that you need to verify that. So click here and you will see that a kind of box which asks you to enter your phone number, and then one SMS come to your cell phone, one message, and then you enter it here and then it's verified like it here. And now I can change the thumbnail of my video, but how to edit and how to create something like this one? So let me go to my another browser. One of the nice website which I recommend is canva.com. It's very easy, very easy. You can learn it in just some minutes. There are some custom layouts here. You can choose, for example, I want to choose something for my WordPress. I choose this one. You know, there are many of them here. As you go down, you can see more of them, and many of them are free. So once you have chosen your layout, you can add your tags. For example, I want to have a varies login page. For example, I want to make something for my WordPress clip. So, and you need to add a kind of background for WordPress or logo. So you go to search and then WordPress. As you see, some of them you need to pay for them, $1 or this one. But the other ones are free. For example, this one I can choose, then yes, background. And for example, I need the logo for, it's blurred. I think I need to click on filter and then normal one. There are many options here. For example, let me add logo here of WordPress or anything. At the end, you can download what you have created. But normally I don't use this website because as you see, you know, it's not so much customizable. So I prefer this one, Figma. It's really nice. For about 20 years, I was using Photoshop, but once I came to know about Figma, I left using that, and now I'm using, Figma. It's very powerful, and if you want to create something professional and you want to control every element of your design, you can do it. For example, I can design something like this. I designed that. By the way, you can control everything, all aspects of this one. And for example, this one, you put it away and you bring something like this one inside. Maybe it's not as easy as simple as this one, but it's very customizable. And some tutorials how to, work with this one. So for example, another instance of this one, by Command D or Control D, I can make something new for another clip. Or maybe this one, I want to change the color of this layer. I can choose another color, for example, here. Okay, once it's okay, I click on export, and it gives me a kind of, PNG or JPEG or other formats. And then I can use it in YouTube for my thumbnail. And now I want to choose that one. I type the name of that photo here, and then I choose that, and that's done. This way I can change the thumbnail of my video, and then at the end save changes. Okay, let me go back to the list of my videos, and as you see, even this one, it has thumbnail. Thank you for watching my clip. Don't forget to subscribe in my channel.